What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly easy method to use solo ads to generate Clickbank commissions. Now, if you've never run a solo ad, or you are struggling to generate the amount of money you truly want, or you just want to learn a simple traffic method to make more money than what you're currently doing, this video is for you, okay? So the very first step is to go to clickbank.com. Now, if you don't have a Clickbank account yet, it's very, very simple. You just go to the button here, click sign up. And then once you do, you'll get taken to this page, fill out your information, and you can go ahead and create an account that's totally free in a matter of minutes. Okay, so go ahead, continue to terms and conditions, and then join. Now, once you're inside Clickbank, we want to go to the top and go to Marketplace. This is going to list many different categories of products. Okay, now you can promote products when it comes to computers and internet, cooking, food and wine, education. Okay, but for the sake of this video, let's go to e-business and e-marketing. Let me click that, okay? So that's gonna give us a drop down of all these different e-business and e-marketing products. Now, the next step we wanna do is we wanna sort results by gravity, okay? Gravity is basically a percentage of how many people have promoted this product within the last week and have generated sales. So the higher the gravity score, the better selling that product actually is, and the better chance we have to actually make money ourselves when we go to promote that same product. So as you can see, currently at the time of recording, the Fast Tracks, this product right here has the highest gravity score of 238. Okay, so that means roughly 238 people this last week have been able to promote this and made sales, okay? So now what we wanna do is we want to just click this promote button. Okay, make sure you have your account nickname here and generate hop links. Now, as a bonus tip, you can actually put in, okay, a tracking ID, like you can do solo ads. Okay, so you know that if you're using other traffic sources as well, that when you get a sale from solo ads, you'll be able to tell with this tracking ID. So we just hit generate hop links, and now this is the link we want to actually save. Okay, so we just want to copy this. Okay, you can put it in a notepad here to keep it handy. That is our affiliate link that we want to promote with solo ads. Now, how do we run solo ads? Well, there's many different places you can go to find good solo ads. I've done videos on my top sources, but for the sake of this video, a very simple and effective way to find solo ads is Udimi.com. Now, the same way with Clickbank, if you don't have an account with Udimi, it's totally free. You would just go to udimi.com and create an account. I'll actually include a link if you're watching this on YouTube in the description where you can click and you can create an account very, very easily. Now, once we're on Udimi, all we want to do is go to find sellers. Okay, this is incredibly simple. And when we do that, there's going to be criteria at the top. Okay, now you can edit this criteria, and whenever you change this, the amount of sellers, okay, so currently I have 21 sellers that are fitting this criteria, they will appear down here, okay? Now, what criteria do I personally recommend? Okay, so the first thing, the price max, this is what is the maximum amount of money per click, okay, that we wanna pay when we go to run a solo ad. Now, I recommend you do up to about 75 cents, okay, but that's gonna give you a lot of sellers that you can choose from. Got sales, okay, I recommend you do 30%, okay, because 30%, this basically means what percentage of people that purchased from these vendors, okay, reported getting a sale. Now, the higher percent, the better, because we want to buy from people that have gotten other people sales. So when we go to promote our product with Clickbank, we have a high percentage of a chance that we're going to be able to make sales too. So anywhere from 30%, the higher you do it, the less people. Okay, see, there's only 8 people now. So I try to keep it around 30%. This doesn't really matter. Ratings, okay, this is important. Okay, I usually do about 400 plus. Again, you can edit this. This is how many people that bought from these people gave them a positive rating. Okay, so you can see this person, Khaled, and I've actually purchased quite a bit from this person. They've gotten 2,108 positive ratings. Okay, so that's a great idea that if we purchase from this person, we're gonna have a positive experience, okay? And then you can sort by sales, okay? You can sort by ratings. I don't really touch that much. This is the main criteria I look for, okay? We wanna go through, we wanna open up a few of these people. So let's say Khaled, for example, okay? You can actually open up this person's profile, okay? So if I do that, Now what we want to do before we purchase the solo ad, we want to go all the way down and we want to double check. Okay, so if I go to see more ratings, we want to make sure that at least 3 people within the last 30 to 60 days have reported that they've got a sale. Okay, because what happens is sometimes they have like 61% of people have reported sales, which is incredible, but that could be outdated. Maybe this person's email list that we're going to promote with using solo ads, maybe it's outdated. Maybe they're not getting sales currently. So we want to look down and we want to count, okay, within the last 30 to 60 days, 3 people minimum that have gotten a sale. So this person right here, I got sales, okay? So that's, at the time of recording, that was today, okay? Thank you, good traffic. Thanks for the clicks. Again, this doesn't qualify. We want someone that actually said they got sales. I got 3 sales. This was 4 days ago. Okay, so that's the second person within the last 30, 60 days that has reported with this person's list, they're getting sales, okay, which is what we want. And then I got sales, okay, boom. So again, within less than a week, this person's gotten sales. So that's 3 people that have reported getting sales. So if that qualifies and they qualify with the other filter, I would purchase from this person, okay? Now, how do we actually purchase? Very, very simple, okay? So if I go back to the main profile, what you can do when you want to promote a ClickBank product is you can go here, go only link, okay? And then we take our affiliate link, we copy this, we go here, and we paste that in, okay? And now all you have to do is choose how many clicks you want to purchase, right? And you will start getting a high quality, top tier clicks to your affiliate link within, usually a few days, okay? So if you purchase from him, he'll actually deliver it that day, okay? Sometimes, depending on how many, sometimes it will be delayed, or you can actually choose if you want to do a different day, okay? Now, how many clicks should you purchase? I highly recommend you purchase at least 200 clicks, okay? If you do 100 clicks, that's not enough data to really see if this person works. If you purchase, 900 clicks, maybe you think, oh, I'm gonna get, a ton of clicks. I don't recommend you do that right off the gate because you don't know if this person's traffic converts with this offer. So we wanna do anywhere from 200 to 300 clicks to start off with. Okay, you can see the price, it's gonna change. Okay, now this price is based off the 69 cents per click. Okay, that's how they get the total there. And then once we are ready, you can finish the order by clicking there. And again, whatever date that you agree to when you purchase, that's the day the traffic will start running. Okay, now you can see that I've actually ordered orders from this person in the past. This person specifically, I know, runs good traffic. Now, I'll share with you one other bonus tip you can do before you run it, just to ensure you get the best results. You can actually go here and you can send them a message. Now, you can say, hey, what's up? How's it going? I saw your profile. I'm really interested in running a solo ad. I'm promoting this offer. Okay, you can actually send them the offer and you can ask them, do you think this offer would resonate with your email list? And a lot of them are going to be honest. And sometimes they may say like, look, no, that's a specific type of offer I don't think would work with my list, or I've actually been promoting that recently and my list is tired of seeing it. Okay, they're going to give you honest feedback because they don't want you to purchase a solo ad and give them a negative review because that's going to hurt their business. So they're going to give you an honest opinion. And if it checks out, right, if they have the criteria, if 3 people have reported getting sales within the last 30, 60 days, and they've agreed that that offer should work with their list, now you just purchase, okay? And then after you run it, you can go into your ClickBank reporting and you can actually go down and you can see right here, right, with that vendor, okay, that product, did it give you sales, right? And if it gave you sales, now you can go back and you can purchase more, okay? You can also make the tracking ID. Remember how we made it right here? Solo ads, you can make the tracking ID, okay, 𝐀𝐞𝐫𝐞 or whatever the vendor's name is. So you know that specific vendor, okay, gave you sales, right? And that's really it, my friends. So I hope you got a tremendous amount of value. If you did, be sure to click the like button and also subscribe with the bell notification so you never miss out on my weekly videos. And last but not least, ClickBank is great to find products, but a lot of times the payout is pretty low. You have to give away a lot to the product creator. If you want to discover my #1 high-paying affiliate program where you can get access to done-for-you websites, follow-up emails, and more, be sure to click the first link below. Check out that free video, and you'll see why I personally recommend promoting that rather than ClickBank. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.